with us today. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on, and even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelts fastened while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Please try to keep the aisle and galley areas clear, and use the restroom located in your cabin when possible. If you're seated in an aisle seat, please take a moment to ensure that your personal belongings, bag straps, and carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you and not in the aisle. Remember that bags may move around during takeoff, so be careful when opening the overhead bins. You can now use your laptop and other larger devices. Please just be considerate of those around you when using your personal electronic devices. Please either silence your device or use headphones. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available for purchase, and Mileage Plus members receive a discount. You can find more information about pricing at UnitedWiFi.com. We also offer a wide selection of free movies and TV shows on your personal device through the United app. You can also use your favorite messaging apps on your phone like iMessage or WhatsApp free of charge. To activate, ensure your device is in airplane mode, connect to the United Wi-Fi, go to UnitedWiFi.com and select the free messaging option. We'll soon be coming through the aisle with a variety of complimentary snacks and beverages. We also have delicious snacks and alcoholic beverages available for purchase in our economy cabin. A menu is available in your seat back pocket where you can find drink options and other in-flight information. For your safety and convenience, we're now using contactless payment. Simply use your safe preferred form of payment in the United app to make onboard purchases or use your Mileage Plus miles. When using Tap to Pay, you may use any contactless-enabled credit card, debit card, smartwatch, or a mobile wallet. We've also partnered with PayPal, so you can purchase using the PayPal app. If you're not a Mileage Plus Chase card member, use your card to get 25% back on in-flight purchases. There's more information on in-flight purchases at united.com/snacktime, as well as our updated in-flight menu. As a reminder, drinking your own personal alcohol that you brought on board is not permitted. Now sit back and enjoy the friendly service on today's flight. Let us know if there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable.